Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Best Consumer, your go-to source for everything cutting-edge in the world of technology. Whether you're a gadget guru, a tech-savvy pro, or just someone who loves staying ahead of the curve, you're in for a treat today. In this video, we're taking an in-depth look at the 5 best budget mechanical keyboards that are making waves in 2024. From groundbreaking features to unbeatable performance, these devices are the ones to watch this year. I'll be breaking down what makes each one a must-have, whether you're upgrading your tech arsenal or just curious about what's out there. So, if you're ready to explore the top picks and see which 5 best budget mechanical keyboards in 2024 is right for you, stick around, because you won't want to miss this. Let's dive into the best of the best in 2024 and find out which ones are worth your attention. Number 5, Keychron K6. The Keychron K6 is a 65% mechanical keyboard known for its compact size and modern design. It saves desk space while retaining essential keys like the arrow keys, making it a great choice for minimalists. The build quality is solid, with options for aluminum frames, and the RGB lighting adds a customizable aesthetic touch. Typing on the K6 is smooth and enjoyable, thanks to the variety of switch options, whether you prefer tactile, linear, or clicky switches. The hot-swappable version allows you to change switches without soldering, adding more customization. However, some may find the lack of a wrist rest uncomfortable during extended sessions. Its wireless capability is a standout feature, allowing you to pair with up to 3 devices simultaneously. Battery life is impressive, offering up to 72 hours of typing without backlighting. Overall, the Keychron K6 is a versatile keyboard that delivers on both design and functionality. Number 4, Redragon K552. The Redragon K552 is a compact 60% mechanical keyboard aimed at budget-conscious users who don't want to compromise on performance. Its tankulous design makes it ideal for smaller setups while still providing a robust and durable build. The metal construction feels sturdy, and its minimalist aesthetic is complemented by RGB backlighting with several customizable modes. For typing and gaming, the K552 offers an excellent experience, especially with its out-emu blue switches, which provide a tactile, clicky feel similar to Cherry MX Blues. While the switches are not hot-swappable, they offer good responsiveness and accuracy, making this keyboard great for gamers and typists who prefer a more audible feedback. However, the noise level may not be ideal for shared workspaces. Despite being a budget option, the K552 includes features like anti-ghosting, which enhances its performance in gaming. The keyboard connects via a detachable USB cable, which is durable but limits flexibility compared to wireless options. Overall, the Redragon K552 delivers solid value with reliable performance and build quality, making it one of the best budget mechanical keyboards available. Number 3, RK Royal Kludge RK61. The Royal Kludge RK61 is a 60% mechanical keyboard designed for those who value portability without sacrificing functionality. Its compact layout eliminates the function row and dedicated arrow keys, making it ideal for minimalist setups or on-the-go use. The RK61 comes with vibrant RGB lighting, adding an aesthetic flair to its sleek design. This keyboard offers multiple switch options, including blue, red, and brown switches, catering to different preferences for typing and gaming. The RK61's wireless capability, via Bluetooth, allows it to pair with up to 3 devices simultaneously, making it a versatile choice for those switching between PCs, tablets, and phones. However, some users might find the absence of dedicated arrow keys a bit limiting. In terms of battery life, the RK61 performs well, offering hours of use on a single charge, especially when used without backlighting. The option to switch between wired and wireless modes adds flexibility. Overall, the Royal Kludge RK61 stands out as an affordable, compact, and feature-rich keyboard that punches above its price point. Number 2, Akko 3068B. The Akko 3068B is a 65% mechanical keyboard that strikes a balance between compactness and usability, offering a highly efficient layout without sacrificing essential keys like the arrow keys. Known for its eye-catching designs and premium build quality, the 3068B features durable PBT keycaps with vibrant, fade-resistant legends, making it a visually striking choice for enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the Akko 3068B is its customizable switch options, with Akko's proprietary switches providing a variety of tactile and linear experiences. The keyboard is available in both hot-swappable and non-hot-swappable versions, allowing users to easily change switches if desired. The typing experience is smooth and satisfying, with great stabilizers and minimal key wobble, making it suitable for both typing and gaming. In terms of connectivity, the 3068B excels with both wired and Bluetooth 5.0 options, allowing users to pair with up to 3 devices simultaneously. Its large battery ensures extended wireless usage, even with RGB lighting activated. With a focus on aesthetics, performance, and flexibility, the Akko 3068B is a well-rounded mechanical keyboard ideal for users who want both form and function. Number 1. Logitech G413. The Logitech G413 is a full-sized mechanical keyboard that blends performance with understated elegance, making it a great choice for gamers and typists alike. Its aluminum top case provides durability and a premium feel, while the sleek design features customizable RGB lighting to enhance your setup without being overly flashy. Equipped with Logitech's proprietary Romer G switches, the G413 offers a responsive typing experience with a tactile bump, making it suitable for both gaming and everyday use. The switches are designed for fast actuation, which can give gamers an edge during intense sessions. Additionally, the keyboard features dedicated media controls for convenient access, allowing you to adjust volume and playback without interrupting your game. The G413 connects via a durable USB cable, ensuring a stable and lag-free experience. Its minimalistic design and customizable lighting options make it a versatile choice for any environment. Overall, the Logitech G413 is an excellent mechanical keyboard that delivers solid performance, quality build, and a refined aesthetic, making it a worthy investment for any user.